In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a ChatGPT web search extension in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and that you're connected to the internet, since you'll be downloading an extension and then using it to access current web information. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where Chrome extensions are listed, and it's the official place to find tools that add extra features to your browser. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for a ChatGPT web search extension. As you search, you may see several similar options, so take a moment to choose one that clearly mentions web search or web access for ChatGPT. This helps make sure you're installing the type of extension that can support up-to-date answers rather than only standard chatbot responses. After you find the extension you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a pop-up asking you to confirm the installation and review the permissions the extension needs. Read through that carefully, then continue with the installation if everything looks correct. In most cases, the extension will install in just a few seconds, and you may see its icon appear near the top right area of your browser. Once the extension is installed, open ChatGPT in your browser. At this point, the extension should be available and ready to work alongside ChatGPT. Depending on the extension you chose, there may be a small setup step or an icon you can click to make sure it is active. If the extension includes a toggle for web results, turn that on. This is an important step because it allows ChatGPT to include information pulled from the web when responding to your prompt. Now you're ready to test it. Ask ChatGPT a question that needs current information, such as recent news, updated pricing, live trends, or anything else that may have changed recently. This is the best way to confirm that the extension is working properly, because a current topic should trigger web-supported results instead of a general answer based only on older training data. When the answer appears, review it carefully and look at the sources provided. A good web-supported response should not only answer your question, but also show where the information came from. This gives you a way to verify accuracy and explore the topic further if needed. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use a ChatGPT web search extension in Chrome for more current source-backed answers.